Today I'm going to give you some recipes on Ayurvedic immunity boosters. So the first one will be the digestive cleansing tonic. So as the name goes, digestive means something got to do with digestion. So and digestion is very important, very crucial. So we should always make sure that our digestion is, the whole process is done in proper. So as such, there will be 4 ingredients that I'm going to focus on, and definitely when it comes to digestion, nothing else can be better than pineapple. So pineapple is our local fruit in Malaysia. It is very high in vitamin C, it is high in magnesium, but the superfood content of it is definitely bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that aids and stimulates digestion as well. Firstly, heat up the pan. So I'm going to put in a very low temperature. So while the pan is heating up, we're going to go to the first ingredient that I'm going to put inside the pot. That would be the ginger. So here ginger, I have puree. I added a bit, about around 50 to 80 ml of water and puree it. So ginger, as you know, it stimulates digestion, stimulates absorption of nutrients. So it's quite useful for digestion purpose. And next one that's going to go inside the pot would be the jaggery. So here I have 2 versions of it. This is the hard solid type, so this is the powdered type, so I'm going to go for the powdered one. I call it as a superfood sweetener because it gives you a very good taste. At the same time, it has very much beneficial for your health because it is made out of cane sugar, so it's high in fiber, it purifies your blood. It's used to control cold and cough, to control your body temperature. So this will be jaggery. So this too is going to go into the pot. First, I'm going to put in the ginger, the pureed ginger. Still at a low temperature. Here it has to be 2 tablespoons, but I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and we're going to stir it until the sugar is diluted. I put very less sugar because putting people like diabetic into my mind. Consider for those who are diabetic as well. And as you know, our pineapple has already have its natural sugar. So that's why I put in a very little sugar. You just give it a simmer, just about like 10 seconds to 15 seconds of shimmering. Okay, just keep stirring. And now this is the pineapple. I have cut it into cubes and I've pureed it as well. So this is going to go into this. Okay, so we don't want to have pan heated on while we are pouring in pineapple. So just off the stove. So just pour in pineapple puree and keep stirring. Keep stirring. Let the heat that we have created just now, it will just cook a little bit on the pineapple puree, just slightly cooking it. The reason why I actually put in ginger and jaggery and heated it up, because this method it can be preserved because it's a tonic. So you can bottle it up and keep it up to about 3 to 4 days and in the fridge and consume it on daily basis. So that's the reason why I actually heated up the jaggery and ginger just now. So once it's quite nicely stirred, the last thing that's going to go in is going to be our lemon juice. Okay, this is about 2 lemons. Just pour it in. So it acts as a preservative as well. As I told you, the tonic, we want to preserve the tonic, right, into the fridge. So these are all natural preservatives. So when it's slightly heated up, then you can preserve it. We're going to give a good stir of it and we're going to let it cool down. And you can transfer it to a container, to a bottle like this, store it in the fridge up to 3 to 5 days or even up to a week. Or you can straight away consume it right now, but it has to cool down for a while. So once it's cooled down, just pour it. This is a concentrated paste, so you just pour it for about 1/3 of the glass. Okay, just about 1/3 of the glass. Add on water. You can enjoy it cold as well, but it's best enjoyed warm. So you can add on a little bit of honey. Give it a good stir. I have some thyme leaves here just for deco purpose. Here you go. Your digestive cleansing tonic is ready.